Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Kiran Kumar Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister, Madam Pilli Kruparani Garu, Honorable Minister, Shri Ponnala Lakshmయ్య Garu, Honorable Minister, Dr. Raghuveer Reddy Garu, my distinguished colleagues, Shri J. Satyanarayana Garu, Sanjay Jaju Garu, Dr. Narayanan Garu, and Shri Ravi Gupta Garu, and the distinguished delegates and guests here. It is my proud privilege to stand before all of you and thank you for giving me this opportunity. Because as a revenue department, we are not only the recipients of these technological advantages, but I have come here with a big contingent of collectors and joint collectors who are also the awardees. I congratulate all those people who have really developed this kind of a service which actually is brought up with highest technological advantages. And one of the things that normally we expect is what is the advantage for the rural India as far as the development of this kind of service are concerned. And as all of us know, Revenue Department being one of the oldest departments in the governance in India, along with the Forest Department, this has imbibed this new technology and has carried this technology to the greatest advantage of the people who are in the rural India. In fact, the people, they expect the kind of the services that we are rendering the government to be brought to them with the least inconvenience, in the least time possible, and with the comfort that can be really expected, and also with the respect that can be expected. Because as we know, still, when we go to the offices, government offices, in fact, perhaps we cannot say that we are the bosses to get the services out of the government offices. But this Mi-Seva program, which has been brought into the revenue system, has created a scenario where the people don't have to really go to the government offices, but they can go to the kiosks, about 4,000 of them which have been created in the last 1 year, and get the services which they want without any botheration of requesting their own rights for their own rights again and again in the office complexes. This is a great achievement. In fact, we have got about 81 RDO offices, 1128 Tehsil offices, where the services that have been rendered so far can be rendered in the public domain outside the offices in 4,000 centers from where they will be getting the certificates and other requirements, whatever they have to produce in order to get the services which are being given by various other departments like registration department, banks and other institutions. And this is a very great achievement on the part of the government of Andhra Pradesh, where within a period of 1 year, the services have been brought to such a stage whereby about 65 lakhs of requests of the people of Andhra Pradesh have been attended to across the table within 15 minutes, and at the maximum period of 7 to 45 days, depending upon the kind of the service they are requesting the government to provide to them. And this is a great achievement, and I really congratulate all those people who have rendered a lot of service to make this a grand success. And sir, I may also point out that it is a great privilege for me to mention that my distinguished colleague J. Satyanarayana, under your guidance and your vision, has made this possible. We are really very happy to be in this particular hall once again, celebrating a situation where the government's vision has been made into a success. And I once again thank all the organizers who have made this event possible and who have really rendered their services to ensure that the people of Andhra Pradesh are getting the services from the government in a very, very distinguished manner, and which is going to be a model for the entire country. Thank you very much, sir.